Okay, so my dear brothers and sisters, we are again on this platform. Let's speak in English with non-native English speakers, and we have started something new on this platform. So every day, one person get chance to be a host on this platform, and you all have done great job on this platform. You have shown your creativity, you have shown your talent, and it's a great pleasure for me to meet very innovative and creative people from all over my wonderful country, Bharat. And in this series, we have one more enthusiastic host on this platform, Ranjana Goswami from Ayodhya
Yes, sir.
or Lucknow?
Yes, sir, Ayodhya.
Ayodhya.
But currently, I'm living in Lucknow,
But
but basically,
basically,
I'm from
I'm
Ayodhya.
from Ayodhya.
Yes, sir.
So, holy land of Lord Ram.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, now I would like to request Ranjana Goswami to be a host and to handle the whole program. So good luck and you can start.
Thank you, sir. So, first of all, good evening, everyone. As you know, I'm Ranjana Goswami from Uttar Pradesh. So, I would like to say, Prakash sir, I am very grateful to you that you give me that opportunity. So, sir, very thank you so much. And now, without wasting our time, for welcoming speech, I would like to say, Mr. Rajkumar sir, please, sir, please.
Thank you, Ranjana, and good evening to all present here. A dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. Yes, it's Believe and Endurance by Prakash sir. I feel privileged to welcome you all on this online platform conducted by Weekend Institute. As we all know, we all come here to practice our English with native and non-native English speaker. And I must say, this platform is wonderful for practicing English. Nowadays, each of us getting the chance to hosting the show and everyone exploring their ideas and others as well. In order to proceed, today's program is hosted by Ranjana Goswami, who is a creative, innovative, and dynamic personality. I hope all of us will enjoy today's session. Don't read success story. You will only get a message. Read failure stories. You will get some ideas to get success. With these one beautiful quotes, I would like to hand over the session to the Ranjana Goswami. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your warm welcome. So, I have requested Prakash sir to give me permission to share my story.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, sir. Please wait for a few minutes. I'm going to present my story. Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Yes. So today's topic is question answer round. First and second is grammar round, and third one is general interaction. So I want to um, hello, hello.
You are audible.
Yeah,
Okay.
you are audible.
So okay. So I'm going to present my first round with one quote that if you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. So with this quote, I am going to present my first round, that is question answer round. So I will take person name. Uh, you have to tell that answer. So is it visible that screen?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you see?
Yes.
Okay. Suppose you become the Prime Minister of our nation, what change will you make? So I would like to request for that question, um, Jaya Bhatt ma'am. Jaya Bhatt ma'am. Hello. Is she there? Yeah, she is there.
Madam is not connected.
Okay.
You
So
can call to
I would like to
somebody else.
request. Okay. Let me see. I would like to request Santa ma'am, please. Give.
Hello, just I have joined. What you are asking for? I
Ma'am,
don't know.
there is one question. There is one question on screen. I hope you can see.
Suppose you become the
Suppose you become the Prime Minister of our nation, what change will you make? You have to give answer.
okay. If
You
I
can
would be
say in one or two sentences. It is a short type answer. Maximum 5 sentences and minimum is written.
okay. If I would be the Prime Minister of India, I will change the health sector and education sector of India, and I will develop the technology department. That's all.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So, for that question, I also would like to request Ashok Maurya, sir. Please, sir, give answer.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, you are audible. Ashok, carry on.
Good evening, all of you. So,
Good
I,
evening, sir.
if I become Prime Minister of our nation, then I will mm, focus more on our education sector. I want to improve our education sector, and after that, I will focus more on women empowerment.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, I am going to present my second question. What type of family do you prefer, joint or nuclear family, and why? So, for that question, I would like to request Geeta Mohan ma'am. Please, ma'am, give answer.
Good evening. I like nuclear family because we can we can focus on we can concentrate every member of that family because that is very small family. If the family is bigger, we can concentrate every person's needs. That is why I like nuclear family. Okay.
Okay, thank you. So, I am going to present my next question. As a human being, what are your responsibility to enrich climate and environment? For that question, I would like to request, I have to see, Keyur sir from Gujarat.
Okay, so as a my point of view, as a human being, we will use public transport instead of our private vehicle because of that we create more pollution, and that is what harmful for our environment. And try to plant many trees you can, so that will help our environment and our climate also. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, Ranjana. I would like to
Yes,
give
ma'am.
answer
Okay,
of
ma'am.
this question.
Okay, Subhashri ma'am, you can.
Okay, what is the question? Can you say again?
Okay. Is it visible that question? I think.
Yeah, no, I can't
And
see.
okay. Okay.
Yes, it
We
is
can't
visible
see
to me.
properly.
Zoom it,
It
zoom
is
it.
visible to us.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, we can read easily.
Yeah, yeah.
As a human.
Now I blow the screen, then I get the.
Okay.
Okay, now remembering what are your responsibilities? Yeah. As a human being, my first responsibility towards our environment to how could we reduce our pollution. First responsibility should be, and the second is we are breathing free air, like we are not planting air plant so but we are breathing, now you can say that is more people are we have not fresh air. For that we have to do plantation. And second one is avoid the private transport, use more stress on public transport. And don't use like polythene and other, you can say I can say that you can the bag which can decompose, like we can use that type of bag. And fourth, fifth responsibility towards what I can do, that is we when we're buying anything from market, we prefer to like packaged food, like that is on wrapper. And I don't personally, when I go to market, I uh, took a bag always with no, I don't prefer any polythene bag to carry out or carry the any vegetables and all those things. What I personally do, I share with you. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much for giving answer. So my next question is, what do you like to add in the education system of India? So for that question, I would like to request Anuj sir, please sir.
Thank you. As you told me, but would like to add in education system of India. So
Yes.
I would like to add the practical knowledge, because whatever we do in our school time, we don't do any practical knowledge. Just we do a rectification. We don't do any practical knowledge in our after the school when we go to a job, uh, that education have no use in our life, I guess. So
Okay, sir.
I would change
Okay, sir.
that thing.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. So I'm going to present my next question. So point out the impact of foreign trade regarding Rafale aircraft with France in contemporary situation with China. So for that question, I would like to request Yogi Mishra. Is he there? Okay, I think there is network problem. I think it's from Yogi Mishra, sir. So I would like to request um, Nageshwar sir from Telangana for giving that
Um, thank,
answer.
thank you, Anjana, and good evening to all. So, in this situation, we have seen the previous month. So, what we have with China. So, last our some great soldiers uh, died in that critical situation. So based on that, if you don't have the strength to face the mother countries like China, definitely it is needed. If you have the type of things, it's okay. But if we take the health or we can like to Russia, Russia, uh, we have to invite the situations because many countries are trying to help India because our human research is wonderful for any type of situations like business or anything else. So I think it's needed and we have to welcome all those things.
Okay, so thank you so much, sir. For same question, I also would like to request Prakash sir, please, sir, I want to know your point of view. Hello.
I think
Hello, Prakash sir.
Sir has muted his audio.
Okay, it's okay. I'm
You
going to
continue.
present my next question. Okay. So my next question is how nanotechnology is helpful in future purpose. So for that question, I would like to request that um, where I was. Okay. I would like to request Rajkumar sir, please give us about that. How nanotechnology is helpful in future purpose. Rajkumar sir.
Okay,
May I,
he
ma'am?
is not there, I think.
May I, ma'am? May I, ma'am?
Okay, okay, so you can. If anybody
Okay.
know about that question, sir, they can do.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm Milan.
Okay.
Carry on,
Can
Milan.
I? Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Uh,
Sure.
with yeah. So, in my view, we can use in defense sector nanotechnology. It's important for anti anti-tech. Sorry, what I'm saying. Uh, I think we use defense sector and it's helpful to medical also and it's helpful to polytetron and polymer industries. So that's okay.
So I would like to request Safiya ma'am for giving that question.
Yes. So I think that um,
Yes, Safiya ma'am.
She was disconnected.
Okay.
So I would like to request Smita Bihar. Ma'am.
Hello, Ranjana. I want to say something about nanotechnology. Okay. First,
Okay.
nano means very smallest particle. Okay, means nano is equals to 10 to power 5 minus 9. 10 to power minus 9 meter.
Yes.
We can't see in different sector, like we use in agriculture, we are making pesticides, nano,
There is a network problem, ma'am.
There is
Yes.
network issue with her.
We
So,
can't hear
Hello?
properly the voice.
Hello,
Susan,
Ranjana.
ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so I think that in case of biotechnology, it will be more helpful, and in case of agriculture, also it will be helpful. So, yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
so it is
Thank you
a
so
very
much.
new topic, Ranjana. So I want to read something about it. Can I?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Nanotechnology is a field of research and innovation concerned with building things, generally materials and devices, on the scale of atoms and molecules. A nanometer is 1 billionth of a meter, 10 times the diameter of a hydrogen atom. The diameter of a human hair is on average 80,000 nanometers. At such scales, the ordinary rules of physics and chemistry no longer apply. For instance, materials characteristics such as their color, strength, conductivity, and reactivity can differ substantially between the nanoscale and the macro. Carbon nanotubes are 100 times stronger than steel but 6 times lighter. What can nanotechnology do? Nanotechnology is hailed as having the potential to increase the efficiency of energy consumption, help clean the environment, and solve major health problems. It is said to be able to massively increase manufacturing production at a significantly reduced cost. Products of nanotechnology will be smaller, cheaper, lighter, yet more functional and require less energy and fewer raw materials to manufacture, claim nanotechnology, nanotech advocates. That's all.
Okay, ma'am. Very nice, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay, nice, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm going to present my next question. So, what is the one thing you will change if you get the chance to travel in past in your life? So, please, I would like to request Pramod Kumar sir, please. Please.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir.
Ma'am, what is? I'm not showing very well.
Okay, so
What is
okay.
the one
What
thing
is
you will
one thing you will
Yes.
change if you get the chance to travel in past in your life? If you will get chance to travel in your past, so what is one thing you want to change?
Uh, First of all, ma'am, I want to change. I have when I have not done in a past like I will do hard labor in a study, and I will try if I will got a chance to, because I want to become a doctor in a past my ambition. So in a past when I will go in a past, if I will past life, I will want to achieve my goals like I became a doctor, and I will study again. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. So, okay, sir. So I have request to Vaishali ma'am, please give that question answer.
For giving this opportunity. change the that actually I was doing study when I was childhood. I want to become a traveler or a sports person. So I will change that as I'm doing still study. So I would like to change. I want to do in my life more practical things rather than theory part. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So I would like to request Nityanand and Brahman sir for that. Please sir, give us.
If I get chance to change past anything, so I would like to change my English marks. Then I want to change my English marks. Thank you.
Okay. So for same question, I would like to request Subhas Pal sir.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. What is the first thing you will change if you get the chance to travel in the past? Okay, I'd like to, if I had the chance to travel in the past, I would like to change the thing that the mishap happened in our country in the probably in the year 2006. Actually, the mishap happened in Mumbai attack that made by some terrorists in our Taj Hotel and other areas in Mumbai railway station. If I had the chance to travel in the past and I had the capacity, I just wanted to avoid that mishap that happened in India. This much.
Okay.
Ranjana, I want to answer in this.
Okay. Okay, Lakshmi. You can.
So my answer is negative. I mean, I don't want to change anything if I got the get the chance to travel in my past, because the experience that I got in my past life, because of them, now I am identified as Lakshmi. Because of those things, I am like this now. Like I also did some mistakes in my past life, but I don't want to change them, because from that mistakes I learned something. I just want to not repeat those mistakes in my future life again, but I don't want to change anything in my past. Okay.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. So I also know for that question answer Prakash sir. Please can you? Hello. Hello, Prakash sir. I want to know that question's answer. I think Prakash sir is not there.
Prakash sir, are you there?
Yeah, might be Prakash sir.
Prakash
No.
sir, are you here? Prakash sir.
I think Sir is not here.
Maybe
Yeah,
we listen
yeah,
Rajkumar
right.
voice.
Rajkumar sir left.
Okay, I'm going to present my next question. What is that true meaning of happiness according to you? Anybody can give answer. If you know, you can.
Whatever the things, I am Rajkumar. I am speaking. Whatever the things we love to do, that is called the happiness.
Yeah, that is right.
Yeah, according
Yeah,
to
and one thing I want to mention.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, actually, whatever we
Hello, Denjana.
Yes, ma'am. Gita ma'am.
May I say,
Okay.
in my point of view, happiness is if we have a full total health in mentally and physically, we have total health. That is happiness. One meaning of me. And another thing is, if our life will go what we in the way of what we wish, what we like, then it will be a happiness to me. That is the 2 point only. Okay, thank you.
May I, ma'am? May I, ma'am? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You
you
can
are.
continue, sir.
May I speak, ma'am?
Yes, yes, sir. You can proceed. Pramod sir, you
Yes,
can speak.
sir. Yes, in my view, I have because generally what's happened with us, I too much feels guilty to think about past. In the past, I have done too much mistake, and when I am living in a present, I always think about my future. What will be tomorrow? What will be after? Sometimes, if I will do, and we are always trying to make our future plans. We are not living in a present. Always we forget the present. If I will, if all we will live in a present, that is the meaning of happiness, because we don't live our present, our present time. Ma'am, okay, it's my
Ma'am, you are
thinking, ma'am.
Ranjana ma'am, you are mute. That's why I could not listen you. You are mute.
Okay, sir. Okay, sorry, sir. Sorry, I forget. Okay, thank you so much, sir, giving that answer. So I'm going to present my next question. That is, what makes a man fulfilled? Anybody can answer.
Fulfilled.
I think it's similar to
May
previous.
I, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
May I, ma'am? Okay. So
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So happiness also makes a man fulfilled.
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
of course.
Yeah, that is.
Thank you.
Okay. So my next question
Thank
is,
you.
I think, describe Earth from an alien perspective.
Describe Earth from
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Ranjana, may I?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, then if I would be a alien, sorry, if I would be an alien, then I would not choose this planet to live at. This is for difficult. This would be difficult for me. Here, everything is, like the environment is so much polluted and population high. This place would not be suitable for me as an alien.
Okay. Okay. Anybody can give answer? Okay, so I'm going to present my next question. So, what role does the past of a person play in building his or her future? I think I have to tell you name. So I would like to request for that question. Manisha Sarma. Manisha Sarma. I think she is there. Okay. Jaya ma'am.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
So, if I can say this, what role does the past? That means it is our past experience or whatever mistakes we do, and by that mistake, what can we learn? And this type of the role, and it builds our future. And we should have to think that in our future we should not make this type of mistake, and by that mistake we can correct ourselves. So it is my point. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay. Anybody else want to give that question?
Okay. May I?
Yes, sir.
Nice, sir. Okay, thank you.